No need to be ashamed of the gospel of Christ. No need. No matter what you're going through, no matter what the situation looks like, if they're telling you gotta choose between that and this, just stand for the Lord. Hey, how are you doing? Let us go to Romans chapter 1 and we'll read verse 16. For I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, for it is power of God unto salvation, to everyone that believeth, to the Jew first, and also the Greek. Let us say as Paul says, I'm not ashamed of the gospel. No need to be ashamed of the gospel of Christ. Have a great day. Whatever you're going through, it's just a process. So trust it and trust God. Have a great day.